If I only had a few short minutes to get you Travis picking, then this is exactly what I would teach you. I would begin by saying hold down a C chord and alternate your thumb between the 5th and the 4th strings. Then take your index finger and play it on the 3rd string as you pick each of those bass notes. Then do the same thing but with your middle finger and play it on the 2nd string. Then exactly the same thing again but with your ring finger playing the 1st string with the bass notes. Then just go one finger at a time with each of the bass notes. So index finger, ring finger, middle finger, and you can practice that round and round. Then, once you're comfortable with that, instead of playing the fingers with the thumb, play in between. So you'll be playing 8th notes. So if you start with your index finger, it'll be like this. And then, of course, you want to do exactly the same thing, but with your middle finger. And then the same thing, but with your ring finger on the 1st string. Then go one finger at a time, so thumb, index, thumb, middle, thumb, ring, thumb, index, and practice that. So at this point, you're already getting the basics of Travis picking down. So here's a couple of popular and common Travis picking patterns for you to learn and have some fun with. So then the next step is to alternate the bass across 3 strings as opposed to 2. So instead of going the 5th string, then the 4th string, and repeating that round, we'll go the 5th string, the 4th string, then the 6th string, and then the 4th string. So you just want to practice that. Then all you've got to do is go back and go through everything that we did using our thumb going across 2 bass notes, but instead going across these 3 bass notes. From there, you can then go on and start applying all of this to some of your favourite chord progressions. And if you do it with a chord with the root note on the 6th string, you can alternate either between the 6th and the 4th string and just keep that going around, or for 3 notes, the 6th string, the 4th string, the 5th string, and then the 4th string, and that round and round and round. So try it out. These fingers stay exactly the same. So, of course, we've just skimmed the very surface of Travis picking here, and you can take it so much further and really have some fun with it. So if you do want to take it further, then check out my course, Total Travis Picking. I'll link to it down in the description. And if you've enjoyed this, then you're going to absolutely love that course. You can even try it out completely for free. Link down in the description. But for right now, that's it. Thanks so much. I'll see you again.